Hi guys, how are you today? Are you fine? I am fine, I am so happy. Welcome to my channel. I am David, if you don't know. Today I am so happy, so much happy, because so many people subscribed my channel, and these people are from other countries. Today I am speaking in English because I wanted to these people understand me. But my English is not so good, so I'm sorry everyone, but I will try, okay? So in this video I will show you how I made an animation from water drop. Okay, so let's go. If you didn't know about the channel, subscribe for you watch so many videos about animation if you like this. So is this. Okay, let's go. E aí pessoal, tudo bem com vocês? Gente, eu estava falando inglês aqui, tá bom? Porque tem algumas pessoas que se inscreveram no meu canal que são de outros países. Então eu quero que eles entendam pelo menos um pouquinho, que fique alguma coisa um pouco mais interativa. É isso aí, gente, eu fiz esse vídeo sobre como eu animei uma gota d'água. E é isso aí, vamos lá. So peoples, let's get started this. When I had the idea to make a video with animation with a water drop, I was on the bathroom and I was looking to a water bucket, and I saw that and I saw the water drop falling down on this, and I asked me about this, about how can the water drop falls and touch the water, and after it back up and get up. I think this is so much interesting. So let's start. Firstly, I made the background. This is a glass object, circular, with water. And after you created the background, you will create the animation, the draws and the lines and everything. So to make this, you will need to do so many draws. You will draw the water drop in the air and falling down. After, you will draw the water drop touching the water and creating a wave around. After this, you will draw the waves around the water drop. The waves going out, going from it. After, you will draw the water around the drop going up, get up. After, you will draw the water falling, the water around falling down and creating other wave throughout. And you will draw other wave going to center, to the middle, and creating other water drop but this time it will be up, getting up, going to up. And after this you will draw so many drawings between one draw and other draw. For example, you will put a draw with you will put a draw between the water drop in the air and the water drop touching the water. I don't know if you are understanding me, peoples, but if you are not understanding me, you can ask something on the comments, okay? So let's go. So now I already finished my animation, and now I just will paint the animation, okay? And to painting water, you just need to do light and shadows, and take transparency on some parts, some pieces. So everyone, this is the result of the work. I will approach this. Okay, it is all, and you can put this on a scene, on a context. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you didn't know about the channel. I always put on here so many things about animation and drawings and all about this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.